behalf of the Dubai Exports, the export promotion agency of Dubai Economy and Expo Trade, I take great pleasure in welcoming all of you to the Future Manufacturing and Trade Summit.
As you can see in the exhibitions today, you see robots, you see technology, you see 3D printing. All these are very, very essential for future manufacturing.
We have a supply chain from the moment we realize our need and we forecast our sales. To the moment that we deliver the product to you in the best quality at the right time.
I was surprised today to see what the different stages that different companies are at in manufacturing. The future means different things for different people, so I think it was actually really, really important to get people together to understand collectively for each of them what the future could be and what they need to do in the future, because it's very, very different. We went today in one panel from lean manufacturing in very basic concepts from some companies to complicated predictive stuff with big data with other companies. So I learned today that the future isn't about the future from today necessarily for us, it means different things for different companies. So yes, from this perspective, it's extremely useful.
A lot of people were very excited about the presentation itself and came to check to me and talk to me about their interest and working together in the future on developing transformation to digitization.
The conversations that we had already are really very exciting because they're all mentioning the new revolution of the manufacturing sector of industries, the Internet of Things, and how the new technologies that are going to be changing the operational side of any business in the manufacturing sector, creating new jobs. We're delighted to have these kind of conversations because eventually this will lead to new ideas, and then our business our duty comes in to support the new businesses and the new ventures.
It's a fantastic event. I was this morning surprised to see so many people, and yes, it is real bonding because you get real people who are interested in the right questions. They come with a focus to understand what is happening and how they can gain extra value for their production environment.
People are from different industries. I like the different speakers, listen to them, and what I really liked was the discussion that we had this morning, because in a short time you get different aspects from different industries, and that makes it worth hearing panel discussions.
It was really great, and when you're on stage you see the people, are they interested in, are they engaged? So what I see yesterday is really great people. They're interested in taking notes, asking questions, so there is a great interest here. I think the future manufacturing is here in Middle East, so I believe that.
The event is unbelievably well organised. The opportunity to network with people is exceptional, in the sense that as people leave the conference themselves, they have a reason to go and talk to the vendors. The event is, we'll be here next year, we'll be here the year after that, and so on. As long as we're getting that engagement, companies like us will hopefully play a part.
The quality of the delegate is very, very high, and the quality of the speaker are international platform, and I think everything is at the top of the quality.
This is going to benefit the region in general, yeah. So of course, switching to manufacturing will benefit everyone, yeah, definitely.
Delegates who are spending half of the day listening to all these people means people are really serious about the manufacturing to get improved. So it's very exciting to be a part of this. This is the right platform to be here, and we are going to be here again.
We have been really having excellent presentation of delegates from the industry. I'm seeing really a lot of interest here to develop the industrial and diversify the economy. This is really good supporting event for networking, and we want to be here to discuss with change views and see how we can improve the solutions of the customers.
Well, we're very pleased with both the quantity and the quality of the delegates. We have spoken to many people from various industries. The forum, the speakers were very interesting on the Internet 4.0 and the way to go forward in manufacturing, because it actually ties in the way that we are setting up our systems as well. So we're quite pleased with the event.